Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today we're gonna break down the low-high roundhouse kick in 3 simple steps. Now let's get started. The only kick you need to know before attempting the low-high is going to be obviously a roundhouse kick, which looks like this. You need to be able to do it to the body and towards the head level. Once you get that down, then we can basically put it all together for the low-high roundhouse kick. So step number 1, all I want you to do is just practice this roundhouse kick to the body, boom, put it down, roundhouse kick to the head, put it down. That's gonna be step number 1. Step number 2, you're gonna do that same roundhouse kick to the body, re-chamber, and then just bring your knee up, just like that. So all you're gonna do is kick to the body, re-chamber, lift your knee up. Step number 3, all you're gonna do, roundhouse kick to the body, re-chamber, lift the knee, and then just extend the kick out right to the head, which looks like this. Just like that. Body, re-chamber, kick right to the head. And that's your low-high roundhouse kick in 3 simple steps. Now real quick, I'm gonna give you a few extra tips to help you get that low-high roundhouse kick down. Number 1 is going to be making sure that you don't put all the power into the first kick. If you put a lot of power into the first kick, sometimes it's kind of hard to get up that second one, at least starting out. So when you're first starting to learn this, just kind of think of just nice light taps until you get it down. Then once you get a little bit more control over the kick, then you can add a little bit more power. Number 2 is going to be your body posture when throwing the kick. Make sure you guys, when you do it, you're staying nice and sideways. Your hip is aligned with whatever you are kicking, because if your hip is kind of back, or if your body's more squared up, like say my shoulders and my hips are more square kind of towards the target, and I'm trying to do the kick here, it's going to be a lot harder to kind of get that kick over. Okay, so make sure you're a little bit more sideways here. That way I'm aligned for the kick a little bit better. I can slightly lean back a little bit. It'll help you get the reach. And then the last thing, I do recommend you guys practice a quick little drill to help kind of strengthen your hip just a little bit, because this does require a little bit of hip strength to be able to kind of hold your leg up. Because when you do this kick, you don't want to kick and then have your knee moving around. You want your knee kind of constantly driving up as you're doing those 2 hits. So all you need to do is just hold on to something, practice the low-high kick in the air, just like this. Doing that simple drill is gonna help you, 1, get used to the motion of going low and high, and also kind of give you a little bit of a hip workout to help strengthen up those flexors. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to let me know what other kicks you would like to see me break down in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next video.